Hello viewers, Aslam here from Leads Flex. So in this video we are going to learn about how to design store in GoHighLevel. I will guide you step by step. So let's dive in video and start the video without wasting time. I have explained all these features in my previous video. You can watch my previous course and you will get idea how you can utilize these all tools, and you can make your business from zero to $100,000. So in previous lecture I have discussed funnels, websites. So right now I'm going to show you some store setup, and here right now we don't have any store here. We have just test website. Basically website and store is the same, and also they have same template as well. It's the same part of the design and functions and features as well. So let me create new store. I just create new store. I'm going to use for blank templates for now, and later in this video I will show you how you can utilize template as well. So it's adding store. It's take a few seconds, and after that it's ready. So let's go to build store. Just go with the blank one. I'm not going to use these templates for now. I'm just adding this store. It will take few seconds. So it's loading here. It's the same structure that we did previous in a funnel design, in website design. It's almost same. It's not almost, it's 100% same. So simply go. I have explained these all feature in my previous funnel design lectures, so you can go back and watch all the funnel design video and you will get idea how to utilize these all functionality and how you can use these function, these all function, these things. You can watch each and everything on a back my video if you go to back and watch my previous lecture about how to design funnel and website in a GoHighLevel. So right now I'm going to take elements. I'm not elements. I'm going to take first section here. I will take full width section, and after that I will take 2 columns, and I will just go to elements. I will say I'm not going to design this perfect. Just go to here. I add headings, and here what I'm going to do, I will add full width another section, and I will add 1 column. No, it's a 4 column, and in there I will add product. I will add feature product here. For example, here we have, but no, I don't need to go to use 4 column. I'm going to use 1 column. I'm going to just add this feature product here. It's a simply drag and drop, and you can replace your products. Once you design your product, you can add your product here and it will be automatically change here. If you want to change or add more products, just simply click on it and add more product. But right now we don't have any product created in a GoHighLevel, and then we need to GoHighLevel and create more product here. For example, I just add 4 more product here, and what I'm going to do here, this is super easy, and I will add another section here in which it's also full width. And what we are going to do here, we will go to store, and here we have product list, and okay, and we can use product list if you have products already, and you can use basically that's already made ready-made templates, but not I'm going to use this one. I will go imports new one, and I will utilize them other one, and I just go back and added this test home for now. And yes, I will like to say add full width and add some 1 column, and add global section templates. If you want to add templates, you want to use store templates, but right now I'm not going to use any, and I will say I'm going to add product here. So simply I just drag and drop, add more product, feature product. And if you want to add more product, so simply just press on this plus button. You can add more products, and you can utilize them and change them accordingly. For example, review the rating, just click on it and you can see, you can check the ratings here. And also if you want to feature product, now want to change these headings, feature products, we will say here selling products, okay, and just say 4 product or 3 product in a row. You can change it here as well. and also, yeah. And if you want to add just footer or something like this, just simply click on it. I'm going to use this one, and I will say this one. Let's say one column for now, and just put one column and add. I'm going to use section here. So pre-built section here. I would like to say footer. Just I'm going to drag and drop this one, and so here you can see the amazing footer, and you can change your content and design according to the footer and these stuff as well. So right now I'm going to use this one. So that's how you can design. If, for example, in footer you want to change anything, simply go here and change according to your requirement. I just put video here, and you want to change font size, you want to change anything here, you want to just select here, and here you have all features. For example, you want to animate this button, just go to here, and here, yeah, you see we have animations here. If you want to logo animation, simply go to here, and I will say where logo animations. And if you want this section to animate, and for example it's a left to right, and it's up to you, whatever you want to change. It's super easy, drag and drop. And I will right now I'm going to show you how you create products in a GoHighLevel. It's a super easy. So I just save it, and yes, update meta things as well, and go back, it's loading and saving. And I'm go to just a payment section, and we are going to create the product here. Here you see product section. We will go to the products area, and first of all what we are going to do, we will create not we will create a collection. Then after the collection we will create the product here. Collection mean it came from Shopify. Collection mean category. So what we are going to do, I just go to collection first, and after that what I'm going to do here, so I will create collection. I will say test products, and if you have any image that you want to add in a category, simply go grab and use it as a collections. And let me create product here, and here you can see it's a, you can import from CVS file or import from Stripe account. But right now I'm going to create products from zero, and I will say buy mobile cover for 30% off. Okay, you can write some description. Go to here. Okay, I will take some Lori some content here. Not company, I will use Lori Ipsum. Just I'm going to use this text for dummy thing. I will put this text here. It's a just dummy text, please don't ignore this text. Just simply add product image, and I will like to use this one. You want to add collection, you remember we have created collections here, and if you have any text category you fall in it, simply click on it, otherwise just go to next. And it says text will be included or not included. It's up to you, whatever you want to select. Attach tax rate, that you want to attach your tax rate for shipping these things, or any tax rate their country you have. And as you mention, it's a recurring payment or it's a one-time payment. Recurring payments means you can charge them, you can selling a subscription, you can charge each month, or you are taking a one-time payment. So I'm taking one-time payments. For example, 100, compare price is 200, but right now we are going to charge track inventory as well. Available quantity we will say 10,000, otherwise you can just uncheck if you don't have any detail here. And also it is a variant, you can add variant. It is a SEO thing. That's how your product look in a Google. You can update your SEO title and SEO description as well, and after that simply save the product. So yeah, that's it. Your product is saved here. We have created one product. So let we use this product in a store. So right now go back to site, and go to the store. We have already import one store, but I'm going to use another store, and I'm choosing this time template here. I will use this template, and for example I will say I'm going to use not this one, not this one. Yes, for example I'm going to use this template. Just continue. It will take few seconds, and after that your templates will be imported in your store, and after that you can edit and change it according to your requirement. So yeah, it's super easy, 2 and 3 click stuff. And here you can see our template is imported here, so just ignore the image. You can change your product here. I just say put here for now, and also I will put this here. And here what we can manage our product here. Simply go here, it will take to the product page that's we have created a few seconds ago. So we have already created these products. So I will check all these things, and you want to show 3 products, 6 products, it's up to you. You want to add filter here, it's up to you. Whatever you filter you want to add, just you can play with them, and you can add filter with these research tab. For example, you can say that here we have different products to different filter. So let's import our product here. What we are going to do, simply enable sorting and enable filtering as well. So here they have filter, you see these are a filter. So remove all this filter for now, because it's a just dummy, so that's why it's look like they have products. So after that, what we are going to do to add our product in our this area, and simply click on it, and I would like to say that's a product list that imported here. We will add another product here, and I will say feature product. Just drag and drop is full width tag, and I will say we have one element, one column here, put elements, and here we have product. And simply what we are going to do, I will delete this, I will add one more product, and after this product here you can, it's replicating. So what we are going to do here, it's a product list, and what we are going to do here, simply go here, and I will go to store, and in store we have product list, we have product detail, and we have about us page, thank you page, and checkout page. These all pages here you can go step by step, and you can edit to according to your requirement. So that's how we can design amazing store. It's a super easy, and in the next video I will show you to use product and how you can create more products and add, and I will edit checkout, edit cards page, and also edit thank you page as well. It's super easy. So if you need any GoHighLevel services, and if you want and learn how to design store in a GoHighLevel, or you want to store in a GoHighLevel, simply go to leadsflex.com. That's the website I can mention. You can book free consultation here, and you can reach out to me, and I will guide you how you can design store, and I will do that for you as well.